Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and today we're going to do a quick review of QDTE, RDTE, and XDTE, and how did the calls end this week, and where is Brad's portfolio on these funds. So first of all, let's go through the calls. QDTE, zero slippage. I can't be any more excited about zero slippage. Awesome job. I'll also point out that they made about 26 cents a share this week, giving today's share count. Now, one thing that you can see on the chart is you also notice that the share count continues to grow, and it looks like it grows on Thursday and Friday instead of on Wednesday, which is a good sign to see. XDTE, they only made 16 cents a share. Their share count keeps on growing. That's awesome, but troublesome at the same time. But the share count really grew on Friday this week. So that's awesome. You don't see a large share count grow on Wednesday and Thursday. So again, just hanging on for the ride. RDTE, still no slippage. Gotta love no slippage. When I see no slippage, that's awesome. Calls are out of the money. We're making money. You're noticing that the close is staying very stable. So that's one thing that I'll point out. Because if I look at QDTE and their closes, they're closing a lot higher. So we're seeing a little bit more growth in that index, which is a good sign to see. In XDTE, we ended up just slightly higher on the closes this week. So that's another good sign to see that, hey, the indexes are slowly growing, but hey, we're capturing that income. So how did Brad do? Well, after my big announcement yesterday, I should have kept my mouth shut, just not tell anybody. Not true. I really want to share the experience with everybody as we move forward. QDTE, I only purchased one share. That's all I'm going to do from now on is just buy one share. It's going up in price. Hey, I'm almost up 6% in this fund from my original purchase. I'm going to just buy one share. I'm taking all the rest of the income and building out the rest of my portfolio. XDTE leads the pack. I'm up 6.6%. Again, I'm buying one share every week, and I'm going to take the rest to build out the rest of my portfolio so I have a nice retirement. RDTE, same thought process. Now, problem with RDTE is I'm not receiving enough income to buy the one share, but you know what? I bought the one share anyway. Cost me an extra $8 to buy that share. Not breaking the bank, but I'm up almost 4% off of my average cost. Great sign. And I'm just going to continue to buy one share every week, build this out, and eventually be able to start taking some money from the shares and putting them back towards other funds that I want to grow over time. That is it for this week. I'm actually very happy with Round Hill. No slippage. That's a win-win for everybody. Until next time, God bless. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a Round Hill roundup. Hey, Round Hill. Somebody sent me a hat, and it wasn't you.